Hey everybody, I'm Lance Allen, and today I want to show you guys this really awesome Sunburst Gear amp. This is a model number A4BR8. This is their newest model to the line. It's going to have an 8-inch speaker in it, which is going to provide more depth for those bass strings you guys have been looking for. This particular guitar amp or PA speaker also has several channels in the background, which I'll show to you. It also has 16 built-in digital signal processing effects. Cool! I love it too. And it's easy to mount onto a speaker stand. It's perfect for doing gigs at a wedding or busking, or maybe you're at a football game and you want some music playing in the background. This thing's going to be perfect for that, especially with the Bluetooth little antenna there. You can send music from your phone to the Sunburst Gear amplifier. So let's take a look at it a little bit closer up. All right, here is the cool amp. It's got a nice little fronted gate thing there, you know, your speaker gate. I told you earlier that it has an 8-inch woofer in there. It also has a 1-inch tweeter to pull out those highs that you like to get on your acoustic guitar and sometimes through your singing voice. All right, moving on to the top here. Here are your Bluetooth controls. And you have that fancy little antenna there that goes down as well. And you have a carry handle there, which is cool. And here comes the main level control. And you can run this amp in stereo. All the channels are stereo. So if you had two of them, you could put one on the left side of the stage and one on the right, and you could control one or both of them with one mixer here. So you also have lows, mids, and highs, and you have an auxiliary input there. Say if you want to have a phone or something playing music, that would work too if you don't have Bluetooth available. Here's the digital signal processing right here, and I'll show you shortly which ones you have on there. And you can control the rate of each effect. You can bypass the effect, and then you can control how much you want in the mix. Let's take a look at the back. All right, on the back of the Sunburst Gear amp here, we have 4 channels on this battery-powered PA speaker. On channel 1, you have gain. You can mute the switch. You also have a notch filter and frequency swoop there, so you can help prevent feedback if you're getting that. You also have a phase switch and effects control. You can also pad that if you've got a really high output keyboard playing through it. And as you see, we have a 1/4-inch jack and then an XLR mic input. You can use phantom power for those microphones that require phantom power. You also have that handy little red switch there that can disconnect your battery if you're going to plug it into the wall. There's your power switch, and the battery compartment is there if you ever have to do any maintenance on that. You know, something else that's kind of cool about this amp, say you're using it with your phone. I saw this handy little thing. You have a USB charging port there, so you can charge your phone or keep it charged while you're playing music. Channel 2 is much the same as channel 1. As you can see, you have an XLR input, 1/4-inch. You can apply the effects. You can mute it as well. And you have a 3-band EQ. Channel 3 and 4 is meant for maybe an additional guitar input, something real simple, maybe a keyboard. And then here are the jacks for extending the PA system into other speakers. You also have balanced outputs. And then you have an indicator down here that tells you how much battery life you got. Here on the bottom of the speaker, you have a pole mount, which is a standard 30mm, I think, so that fits any speaker stand. You also have rubber feet if you're going to set it on the ground. All right, so this amp is equipped with 16 different effects built in right on top. You got a big, bright cavern sound, or sounds kind of like a cathedral. And then let's see what this sounds like. Here we got several of them. There's the cavern. And number 2 would be a dark cavern. So the reverb is a little bit warmer on that one. And we get a bright. Cool. Here is a dark hall. Number 4. And then we move to the plate reverbs. Ooh. That's kind of fun. Let's see what number 9 is. Number 9 here is ambience 2. So a little different. These have got some echoes in it. Cool. This one is a chorus, I think. And lastly, flanger. Very subtle. Cool. I think my favorite is going to be the ambience. Where'd they go? Oh, I've turned that down. There we go. Everybody, thanks for watching my video. This is the Sunburst Gear A4BR8. I really like it and hope you guys will check it out.